In a landmark ruling, the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Mumbai has delivered a significant judgment on the inclusion of software value in the assessable value of imported diamond cutting and scanning machines. The case involved 17 appeals from various diamond companies, including Sheru Gems Diamonds Pvt. Limited, challenging the reassessment of customs duty by the Commissioner of Customs for Air Cargo Complex Export, Mumbai Zone 3. The dispute arose from a Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) investigation alleging undervaluation of imported goods due to artificial splitting of invoices into hardware and software components. The appellants argued that software and hardware are distinct entities and should be assessed independently, citing key Supreme Court judgments such as Sai Data Systems Limited, 1997, Acer India Limited, 2004, and Grasim Industries Limited, 2018. These cases established that software value is not includable in the assessable value of hardware, even if the hardware cannot function without the software. The tribunal rejected the respondents' argument, which relied on the larger bench decision in Bhagyanagar Metals Limited, 2016, stating that the precedent set by the Supreme Court in Sai Data Systems Limited and subsequent cases takes precedence. The tribunal also ruled that reassessment of goods cleared under Section 47 of the Customs Act was impermissible without evidence of fraud, misrepresentation, or collusion. Penalties and redemption fines were also deemed unsustainable. Ultimately, the CESTAT Mumbai allowed the appeals, set aside the orders of the Commissioner, and granted relief to the appellants. This judgment reinforces the legal principle that software and hardware must be assessed independently for customs duty purposes, following the precedent set by Sai Data Systems Limited, 1997, and affirmed by subsequent Supreme Court rulings. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.